Good morning, my students. Today we are going to discuss ocean energy. The oceans, large lakes, bays, are huge reservoirs of various useful and renewable energy sources. The world total estimated ocean energy reserves are about 130 into 10 power 6 megawatt. However, only a fraction can be recovered economically. Due to rapid depleting fossil fuels resources, the ocean energy is likely to gain a significant importance during the coming decades. However, its present use is very limited. The various ocean energy sources, so some of the ocean energy sources are seen here. First one is the tidal energy, wave energy, ocean thermal energy, hydroelectric energy. So we will discuss one by one. First one is tidal energy. So in this chapter we will discuss only about the brief of all these four resources, and we will discuss after this lecture one by one in detail. So first, the tidal energy. So it actually refers to the hydro energy in the ocean tides. Ocean tides occur due to gravitational attraction forces from sun and moon. The level of ocean water rises periodically during high tides and drops during low tides. The difference in head of water during high tide and low tide is used for rotating hydro turbine generator units installed within the dam to obtain the electrical energy. This is the basic of hydroelectric, basic of tidal energy, and we will discuss after the lecture with the help of the diagrams in detail. Then next one, the wave energy. This is the ocean wave energy. So ocean wave energy, that means to move waves of water from ocean to the shore. Ocean waves occur due to rotation of earth and the winds over ocean surface. Waves have an interval of 4 to 12 seconds and crest of a few centimeters to about 10 meter. Locations having waves with crest height of approximately 3 meter and above have higher energy density. Ocean wave machines are installed on floating power plant or on shore power plant. The rotor of the wave machine is rotated by wave energy. Have machine drives generator, rotor, or pump water to reservoir at a higher level. So this is about the wave energy. And next one is ocean thermal energy. Here you can see the plant of ocean thermal energy conversion. So the ocean thermal energy acquired by the ocean water from the solar radiation. Again I repeat, energy from solar radiation. The warm water from the upper level of ocean at about 25 degrees centigrade is pumped through a heat exchanger. Thermal energy is extracted and converted to the electrical energy by steam turbine generator or vapor turbine generator. Cold water from the bottom of the sea at about 10 degrees centigrade is used for condenser. The next one is hydroelectric energy. So here you can see the diagram of water cycle. So hydrological cycle result in rainfall which causes river flows that can trapped behind dam to even out the variations in the river flows and thus become source of either low head or high head hydroelectric energy. Small scale hydroelectric facilities can supply a principal significant amount of electrical energy, or we can say the electricity, for irrigation or potable water pumping, lighting, health and educational purposes. The total amount of such resources very poorly documented, but apt to be a large. So this is the basic or a small brief of ocean energy sources. Thank you very much.